Hello, folks. We're here with our friend from he's traveled many miles to be with us here today, and we're happy about that. And we're going to review this World War II VHS tape about entertaining the troops. And in this case, it's 4 women that went around in North Africa and all around in England and everywhere, and it was a USO style entertainment, and at the time it was a big deal. A lot of entertainers did this. So these 4 women are Martha Ray and Mitzi Mayfield and Carol Landis and Kay Francis.
Well, it's 4 Jills in a Jeep, so aren't they all named Jill?
A minor point.
Just curious.
And this also has some famous guest stars. Phil Silvers of Sergeant Bilko fame, and he was also in Mad Mad World. He's in this. And the Jimmy Dorsey Orchestra, and the Betty Grable is in it as well. Grable. She's in it. Carmen Miranda, George Jessel, and Phil Hames. So that's basically what this is all about. And I've been wanting to review this for quite a while, but other reviews took precedence to it. So there it is, 4 Jills in a Jeep.
Derek, what do you have?
So what I have is this movie called Loose Cannons. I've never seen this movie before. We're just kind of being judging it by the cover for the most part. Looks like there's a lot of guns on the back. Well, I guess loose cannons, so people get pissed off pretty easily. Not sure about what. Maybe about women, as it's seen like the top left here. And then you got like a mental institute. Okay, that's kind of crazy. But I guess, in my eyes, it's like there are people that are just like insane. They love guns and they fight for women. And then some people die, but then some people win in the end. I think that's pretty much how this movie goes. So yeah, that's my description on Loose Cannons. I highly recommend it. Ruthless People looks like a cartoon. Oh, there's people with duck faces? That's kind of interesting. It's kind of like Mighty Ducks. Wait, Beverly Ninja? Okay, this is cool. Beverly Hills Ninja? This is with Chris Farley. I feel like I might watch this today. Beverly Hills Ninja, Chris Farley, Chris Rock's in it. Honestly, I feel like with any movie that involves Chris Farley, it's just a banger. I mean, if you look at him too, he clearly looks like a ninja. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend this movie, and I'll probably watch this. Del, what about you?
I just picked up this Matrix Revolutions. So it's Keanu Reeves and company. So here we are. You seen it?
Mm-mm.
Okay, well, it's got those the Matrix kind of movies have those visual effects when they first came out, kind of really astounding pieces of technology.
Like where he dodges the bullets?
Right.
Got it.
That kind of thing. I think everybody remembers that.
Leans back and just like goes like that, and then like the bullets like avoid him. Or he's avoiding the bullets, really. But yeah.
So it's just, I saw the Matrix sign there, and that's why I picked it up, because of that reasoning there. It's kind of cool, and Keanu has become a really big star from that. He was a star then, but he's become a really much bigger star. He's had a pretty good career.
Like in John Wick.
And in the John Wick series as well, and this has that other pretty famous actor in there. Can't remember his name right now. And he's in it as well. So there it is. And this Matrix again is a series. What else we got back here? Anything? There's a fish called Wanda.
Monsters Inc. is pretty good. I mean, I see the olive juice now. What's this one? Wagons East? I don't know who these people are, but over the top, Western spoof and blazing.
Well, mention some names. What it says on there.
John Candy and Richard Lewis.
Okay, John Candy, I think he's Second City, right? He's a very famous comedian, and he died, unfortunately, rather young. I think in his middle 40s.
No, this movie
He had
sucks.
some really fabulous movies out, John Candy.
I mean, what is Olive Juice? AJ McLean, Brian Littrell from Backstreet Boys. What?
Yeah, he died at 43 in Mexico.
Yeah,
He was
died.
born in Canada.
Yeah, he's Canadian, and I see there he's in. Is he in Home Alone?
Yep, Home Alone, Uncle Buck, Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, Cool Running, Spaceballs, The Great Outdoors.
And he played a polka guy.
The polka guy
in the Home Alone
yeah.
thing.
Polka, polka, polka.
Polka Polka.
The mother, she was also, I think, Second City, that played Culkin's mother. And then she hooks up with these polka people. I think she hitches a ride with them.
Oh, Catherine O'Hara?
Yeah, Catherine O'Hara, yeah. So I think is she Canadian as well?
Yeah, Toronto.
Yeah.
But yeah, like those are just a bunch of movies that Dell has in his house, and he might look into getting some more and maybe rewatching some ones that he has. But see you guys next time.